Tired of manually copying and pasting customer data into Mailchimp? Let's automate your email marketing with a simple, yet powerful integration connecting Google Sheets to Mailchimp using Zapier. First, navigate to Zapier.com and log in, or create a new account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Zap button, which is typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Now, it's time to set up your trigger. Search for Google Sheets in the App Selection field and select it. Choose New Spreadsheet Row as the trigger event. This will initiate the Zap every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet. Connect your Google Sheets account by signing in and granting Zapier the necessary permissions. Then, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use for your Mailchimp integration. Next, let's set up the action. Search for Mailchimp in the Add Selection field and select it. Choose Add Update Subscriber as the action event. This allows you to either add a new subscriber to your Mailchimp list or update an existing subscriber's information. Connect your Mailchimp account by signing in and granting Zapier access. Select your desired Mailchimp audience list. Now, map the columns from your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. Be sure to map the email address column correctly, as this is essential for adding or updating subscribers. You can also map other columns like first name, last name, and any other custom fields you have in your Mailchimp audience. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. This activates the automation, so new rows added to your Google Sheet will automatically update your Mailchimp list. That's it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to Mailchimp using Zapier. Now you can streamline your email marketing efforts and enhance customer engagement effortlessly.